equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Torx screwdriver. You'll also need a clean workspace to keep your components organized. First, disconnect your Dyson SV10 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure it's completely turned off. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and pulling it away from the main body. This will give you better access to the motor area. Now, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum cleaner. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off the vacuum. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. With the cover removed, you'll see the motor assembly. Next, disconnect the motor from the wiring harness. This usually involves unclipping a connector. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any wires. If you're unsure, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service, which can save you the hassle of traveling. Now, remove the screws securing the motor in place. These are often Torx screws, so ensure you have the correct screwdriver. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the motor out of its housing. It's a good idea to clean the area around the motor with a soft brush or cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. With the old motor removed, it's time to install the new one. Place the new motor into the housing, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws to secure it in place. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision. Reconnect the wiring harness to the new motor, ensuring it clicks into place. This is crucial for the motor to function correctly. Once everything is connected, replace the cover of the vacuum cleaner, making sure all clips are secured. Finally, reinsert the screws at the base of the vacuum to hold the cover in place. Once you've done this, reattach the dust canister. Your Dyson SV10 should now be ready for use. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to contact us for support. Remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to help you every step of the way. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.